Watching you. Hello. I'm Tenisia again, and this is very new for my language classes and Poly Latin. As you can see, this beautiful person here next to me. We are going to have classes today of teaching Tongan language, or talking about Tongan language, and I'm going to get from Varisa. Varisa, you can pronounce your name better than what I do, but we see here in Kiwi land, Varisa. But if you see her name, she's writing it in Russian or so, anything. So Varisa is there, very famous everywhere she goes. She's multilingual, and she's a multilingualist, and she can say anything. She's teaching Thai, which is that your first language, Varisa?
That's my first language, yes.
So I'm very lucky. I'm going to have someone, first language is Thai, and I'm trying to teach I'm trying to teach Tongan. And Varisa has already had a look at my Tongan language, the beginning, so it will be interesting because Varisa has just presented me with all these amazing books. I have no idea what they are saying, but in English here it's vegetables. We're going, huh?
Word cards.
Word cards. Whatever it is, it should be in Thai language. And it's amazing because I have to believe her because I have no idea of really knowing this. But Varisa, you know, can you say something about yourself and then we can go, you know?
Sure. Hi everybody, my name is Varisa. I was born in Thailand. I moved to Switzerland when I was 8 years old and I did my schooling, primary school, high school and university, both in New Zealand and Switzerland.
Right.
Yes, so right now I've presented Tenisia with some word cards. There's vegetables, cute animals, occupations that we are going to
all these things,
have a look at.
I thought they were chocolate that she was bringing me this evening, and then when I saw it, and I think this is perfect. I'm a beginner. If I begin with this language, so it will be interesting to ask impromptu questions to Varisa, and then I've just shown her the Tongan alphabet system. What do you think of the Tongan alphabet system?
I thought it was very interesting how you cut off from some of the English alphabets. I thought that was amazing because I've never known it existed.
Right, yeah. But have you heard Tongan language before? Outside of my little channel?
Not much at all. Like, I don't think I would be able to tell this is
right.
Tongan. Whereas if it's French, German, Italian, or even Korean, Japanese, Thai, I would be able to distinguish those languages. But Tongan is fairly new to me.
Yeah, that is good. Welcome to that world of Polynesian language and Austronesian or whatever they call that one.
Yes.
So I can imagine it will be easy for you because as you are a good German speaker also, and you know, having lived in Switzerland, and you should be able to, are you familiar with the R, A, E, or U?
Yes.
Have you got it also in Thai? What is Thai? Have you got a vowel? You must have because you're speaking and it's coming out.
Well, we do have the Thai alphabet.
Right.
I'm not exactly sure how many there exist because I left Thailand when I was 8 years old.
Right.
But I do still speak it every day, if not almost every day with my family. I can still write the language.
So you can write, so you know this is true. For example, this one. It looks like a W and N for me. What is that?
Yeah, so these are two alphabets. Popung, Gokai.
Oh my God, Gokai, 3 syllables, and the other one 2. So only, we say,
There's
Popung,
also
Gokai.
vowels.
Right.
On there.
On that, that's interesting. Did you see that? What is popung?
Popung is
Kokai.
the first,
That looks like the W.
yes.
And that one that looks like an N, you say kokai.
Gokai.
Kokai. And what is the little...
That's
it's almost
the,
Arabic thing
like
on the
a
top there.
vowel on top.
What is it called, that little vowel there?
My Hanagad.
My Hannah, oh my God, I'm going to sing.
Yay,
Thank
let's
you.
sing.
This is amazing. It's only 2 alphabets. That's enough for today.
That's
That is
alright.
amazing.
If you have good instructors,
Yeah,
you'll
yeah.
be great students
wow, I can-
too.
This is
So
so new to me, just like Polynesian is new for her.
yeah, so why don't we start? This is all brand new, and I'd love to begin with you. Shall we open this?
Very good. Yeah.
So
Thai. So I've just had a little taste of the just 2 alphabets. Varisa doesn't even know how many yet. Well, it's only because she's more European and Kiwi than
Yes.
to have the Thai. But this is interesting. These are only 2 little alphabets.
I specialize in European languages.
So there you are, the European. So we're going to check this out.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
so now-
here we go. Flashcards. Shall we? open the
Flashcards.
box?
I think I need this in Tongan. And then we would say, Malolele, say hello.
Malolele.
Malolele is hello. What is your version of good day, well, thank you that you're good, or Malolele? If you meet me, you say,
hello
hello,
is-
what is
Sawadika.
Sawadika? Oh my God.
Yes.
That sounds very reverent, Sawadika.
Yes, the ending ka
Ka.
is the polite female
Polite.
version,
Yeah.
and
If I was a boy, what would you say?
Sawadika.
Krab? Oh, Sawati Krab for boys.
Yes.
For male, Sawati Krab for you. And if you're a girl, Sawati Ka. Oh my God.
Very good.
I'm very, very, very getting into time.
So
Oh, that's 1/2 of something.
yeah. So the word we spelled just before, popung mai hanagad gokai, we read this as pak. Pak, which means vegetable.
Oh my God.
Pak means
Has
vegetable.
nothing to do with that alphabet that we say, That's Pak. That's just amazing. That
Just
is-
one
yes,
syllable for vegetables.
Pak. But there are about 10 syllables for all of those 3 little things.
Yes. So
It's amazing. Oh, cauliflower. I see
Yes.
cauliflower.
yes, you're right. So cauliflower, we say galam dog.
Galam dog.
Yes, very good.
I have to write that down. We good. Yeah, you go on. Galam dog. Galam dog. Did you say?
Dog.
Dog. Like a dog. Cauliflower. Galam dog. Yeah.
Cabbage.
Cabbage. Make the
Galam pli.
galam pli.
Yes.
That's
sit
pli.
closer
That's
to you?
cabbage.
Yes.
Pli. That's
Why
cabbage.
don't I hand you the card so
Yeah,
you can
Yeah, cabbage. So it sounds like the galam is something like a
bud.
like that
But-
cabbagey thing.
Yes.
And then galam dog is your cauliflower, and galam pli is cabbage.
Yes, very good.
Oh.
I thought I'd come sit closer
Yeah,
to you
yeah, please,
so that
This is
you can see
exciting.
the
We are
cards.
just today, but while we are on it, the cabbage, galam pli of Thai is in Tongan, kapisi.
Kapisi. Oh,
And they
that's
just
such
take
a
it from cabbage, I think.
cute word.
Kapisi.
Kapisi.
Kapisi. Okay. And the cauliflower. Oh, we don't have ever a cauliflower. I think we'll just say cauliflower.
Oh yes.
So nothing special
All
there.
right. So shallot or
Shallot is this kind of onions. Are those the
Yes.
red onions or is that shallot? I think that's shallot.
or when you call those like
Shallot.
No, not lemon
Not lemongrass, but sort of like chives or something.
Yes,
onions, spring
chives.
onions.
I think chives or spring onions are better
I
words for
thought Charlotte
these.
used to be the red onion. So you
Yes,
say,
that's right.
how do you say?
ต้นหอม
ต้นหอม ต้นหอม
ต้นหอม
ต้นหอม
and if we break this down in the two words,
Right.
ต้น means a plant,
Plant, yeah.
and หอม means an lovely fragrant.
Ah, nice smelling plant.
Yes.
Oh, really? The shallot, the spring onion or onions.
Yeah.
Lovely fragrance. We would call that just onion.
Oh, yes, very nice. And the next one, coriander.
Ah, coriander. We don't even have that in Tonga usually.
We call this ผักชี ผักชี
Pak chi.
Yes.
Ah, wait, so the coriander.
Very good. Chinese kale. Chinese kale.
Chinese kale. These are getting too specialized, and we really don't have any word for this.
Okay.
But it's Chinese kale is frasiaina. If we say Chinese kale, but I don't even know what kale is. We have kale in Tonga, but it's just what we say.
Kale
curry.
is a very special type of vegetables.
Yeah. I hear they're very good for your health.
I heard first from Dr. Oz.
Right. Yeah,
and
yeah,
then,
it's very good. Yeah.
I start seeing them at Pack and Save now.
Yeah.
So the Chinese kale we call kana. Kana is often used in some very common or famous Thai dishes too. In the noodles. Yes.
So Chinese cabbage, you say just in Tongan, kabisi siaina. Chinese cabbage, siaina for Chinese.
Siaina.
Yeah, very good.
Yes, Guangdong.
Guangdong.
Okay, lettuce.
Lettuce, lettuce, yeah.
ผักกาดหอม
ผักกาดหอม
Yes, the hom word means the nice fragrance.
Oh yes, it was before something like that. Don hom, ne? Don hom. The
ต้นหอม ต้นหอม Sometimes this alphabet here, ต่อเต่า is an equivalent to D and T in English.
D and T.
So if you combine the D and T alphabet in English, that would be a closer equivalent to.
So it's not D, it's not T, it's
It's both.
That's like in Tongan too.
Oh yes.
If you say my name, how do you say my name?
ฉันชื่อ
No. My name. How do you call me? Tenisia.
Tenisia.
See, we don't say in Tongan Tenisia. My name is Tenisia. So it's not D. It's not T. You're combining it here. You're combining the D and T in this alphabet. What is it called again?
ต่อเต่า
Totao. So you combine D and T, and we don't have D, we don't have T, we don't know. Maybe we are also like that. So my name is not Tenisia and not Tenisia. It's Tenisia.
Okay. Yes.
Some people don't really notice it, but it is. If you say to me, Tenisia, and I say, oh, you're English speaking to me, and you say, Tenisia. So that's yeah. So those are the
we
things.
must write our name in
Yeah. Right.
your name in Thai too.
Yeah. My name. This is my name in for everyone to see, Tenisia. And so in Thai,
Yes.
you read it and then you pronounce to me. My name in Tongan is very normal, like you see, Tenisia. So now live, written in Thai. Exciting how they will write my name. You know, this is so.
Here we go.
Yeah. What does it look like?
Tenisia.
Wow, then you can see there. Where do you write from? From this side, eh? That's
Yes.
there. That's that there. This one. That one. Eh?
Yes.
T, yeah, T. And this is A, T.
Then.
N. Yeah.
There's another N there to make it N-I.
Right.
Sia is
Sia
here.
is old. That last bit there is
This
Sia.
last bit is like Sia, and this two is like Ni, and then is
So you
ten.
say ten and ni and sia. Okay.
Yes, I've
Very
broken
good.
it down for you.
Right.
All
Ten
right.
ni sia.
Okay. Shall we? Any other?
Yeah. I think you can have two more examples and then we will say the hello, the
Okay.
thing again, and then we'll finish with this while we are going to come back again because there will be many classes here while we are doing Tongan Thai, because the Tongan Thai, as you can see, the Thai language has got lots of alphabets, so we are not going to be anywhere near the end, so it's only a beginning. So, okay, tell me, okay, make two more.
I think I'll do the common ones like
Yes, please. Yeah.
broccoli and asparagus.
That's good. Broccoli. Broccoli in Tongan, we also don't have broccoli. I can imagine I go to the market and say, Fiha, how much is your something looking like cabbage? Kapis.
Oh yes.
Cabbage, but maybe we say broccoli or so.
Apparently in Thai you say broccoli.
Broccoli. That means it was not
Yes.
also in there.
It's
So you can say
an English
broccoli.
derived word.
Okay. So
Yes.
there's broccoli.
Yes, broccoli.
Broccoli.
And yes, next one we have asparagus.
Yeah, what is asparagus? Can you pronounce asparagus or
Asparagus in Thai we sayหน่อไม้ฝรั่ง
no, my frang.
Farang. And rang here you roll your R.
Rang.
Yes,
No, my
that's
frang. You
No, my
like rolling?
farang.
Farang.
There's R without rolling your tongue as well as R. with
Right, so this
rolling
is
your
different. So
tongue.
the farang. Okay,
Yes.
farang. It's almost nearing a bit of your French with that R. Would you say, or if you had a French accent, what would you say?
The French
farang,
R is
farang.
quite a forte pronunciation. The R here.
My farang.
Farang.
So quite nice roll. Farang.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the one that's rolling. So I will say roll. Okay.
Very good.
We don't have in Tongan asparagus. We would say asparagusi.
Oh, that's
Something
so
like that.
cute. Asparagus.
Like yaguti. I wouldn't
Tongan
know.
sounds so musical.
Oh, absolutely.
I
yeah.
thought Italian was musical. Tongan is even
I
more
think it's very-
musical. I'm really
I think
impressed.
it's asparagus. Yeah.
I never thought I'd be learning Tongan because I've learned about 10 different languages and I promised myself not to learn another one
that's
till I
okay.
master.
This is musical and happy and I think easy when it's certain thing. It's quite complicated in the Polynesian language. Like if I see someone In the other languages, like Maori, it's quite very easy for me. I'm sorry with the Maori, with the grammar and everything. It's not as complicated as the Tongan language. That's what I think. And then we will see that later when we come to grammar. Our name, that's your name, and your name.
Yes,
Varisa. How do you do your name? Varisa, this is the normal one.
Yes, Varisa is spelled. Show everybody first. Wawan, Rorua, Salai, Solusi, Salaa. Varisa. What? In Thai we will say Walisa.
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 Yes.
Let me see. And those ones, there are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 alphabets, or what? Or how many are there? There are 3.
3 alphabets. The
Right.
one up here and behind, it's like a vowel or the accent.
Right. So what is that first one? This is really, that's
Yes,
this is-
shall I point
yeah,
with
yeah,
this?
that'd be good. Can you pronounce it well?
Wawan, Rorua,
Rorua.
Salai,
Salai.
Solusi,
Solsi.
Salaa.
Sala'a. Oh my God, Sala'a.
That's Varisa.
Sala'a. This one. Sala'a. This is very, very amazing thing.
Yes.
Sala'a is only for one, that little one alphabet.
Sala means like a vowel or the accent. And we have Salai up here too.
Sala'i, Sala'a. Also say that's the vowel A
Yes.
and that's the vowel E.
Yes.
Varisa. But the Sa, your last name is Sala'a. Oh yeah. Why is Sala'i in there and Sala'a there? I thought Varisa is Va and Sa.
I guess
Salai
it's
and
just
then
how
Sala'a.
it works.
Okay, so we will say yes to
Well,
that, but
we
we'll
can-
come back.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, how do you say hello again?
Sawadika.
Sawadika. Sawadika
And,
for girl.
Yes.
So
Politely with your hands up.
like when you say namaste or so.
Namaste.
For the
Yes.
Indian. Sawadika. So can you say it again?
Sawadika.
Sawadika.
Yes.
Sawadika.
Like genuinely, politely. Yes.
With hands, really nice there.
Yes.
And then if you're a boy or man, I would say sawadika. Crab. Crab. Crab.
Yes.
Crab. So, crab. Is that the same roll? Roll of R?
Yes.
The same crab,
Yes.
not crab.
And this
Crab.
row of
Sawadika.
R,
Yeah.
this is where we use in my name as well. Rolling R is this letter. So this is Rorua, this alphabet, Rorua. And we have Lolling,
Rolling. Rolling.
non-rolling R.
How do you say the non-rolling R? Just a ra.
Lolling.
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 Oh, it's just an L.
Yes.
So
Oh,
you don't-
yes.
Why would you say?
Yes, that's right. Now you remind
Lolling.
me
Lolling.
R and L
L.
can be
Interchangeable.
interchangeable. Yes.
Lolly. Sawadika. Sawadika. Crab. Sawadika. If it's a boy, you say. Good.
Yes.
So that's very good. And I will say now, Maloilele.
Maloilele.
Oh, it's very good. I can see that you're linguist. Malo. We put that on top of the R, for can you see
yes.
that? To make it long. Otherwise it says malo,
Yes.
Malo, le. Le is good.
Next time, just while it's in my mind,
Yes.
if you come to the knee, then we must do it on the board.
Absolutely. I've got also a board at home that I walk around. But today, because it's the first Tongan Thai that you have here already, you know. So we malo lele, you say thank you for being good. Or danke, dass Sie gut sind if you go to German, or anything that you say thank you. Or say Spanish maybe gracias por ser
Yes.
bien or something.
Like,
So
vielen
good.
Dank.
Vielen Dank. Yeah, you can say malo. Vielen Dank is say thank you very much, but or thank you is just say danke. Malo. No. Did you say? Or did I say? Oh yeah, the lele. Malo danke. Okay, but actually malo lele, when we say thank you for being good, it's actually saying hello. Okay.
Yes.
Malo lele, it's like good day, maybe,
Okay.
or thank you for good. So
Yes.
in Thai, we've already
Sawadika.
Dika, and then dikra, kra, if it's a male.
Yes. Very good.
So, and we say now, we are going to say thank you, Varisa, for our first class, and we are going to come more real equipped next time, even better.
All right.
I say thank you in
Thank
Tongan
you.
for normal, just very easy, not thank you very much, or just say thank you. We just say malo, malo Varisa, and you saying to me,
ขอบคุณค่ะ
kop
ขอบคุณค่ะ
kop kun ka Varisa, kop kun ka.
Yes.
Kop kun ka Varisa. So I go like that. Beautiful. Thank you. I like Thai. I think I'll be going Thai soon. I already like eating their food.
Oh, yes.
Very
I'm
good,
starting
Varisa.
to love Tongan language.
You will like it.
I'm
and will
actually very impressed
I think-
how beautiful it sounds.
I think you're already pronouncing it really, really good. So I think we will be good. Thank you for listening. That was number 1, Tongan Thai, under all the Poly Latin. And you'll see us again. Thank you, Varisa.
Thank you ขอบคุณค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ
Malo.